Hey everyone! Ready to dive into the world of Azure Virtual Machines? Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the basics. So, let's get to it. First off, what exactly is a virtual machine? Think of it as a computer within a computer. It runs an operating system and applications just like a physical machine, but it's entirely software-based. This means you can spin up multiple VMs on a single physical server, making them super efficient and flexible. Now let's create a VM in Azure. We'll start with a Windows VM. Head over to the Azure Portal and click on Create a Resource. Select Virtual Machine and choose Windows Server. Fill in the basic details: subscription, resource group and VM name. Pick your region and choose an image. Then set your size based on the workload you expect. You'll also need to configure the admin account and networking settings. Once everything is set, hit Review plus Create. Azure will validate your configuration, and if all is good, click Create. Congrats! You've just created a Windows VM. For a Linux VM, the steps are pretty similar. Again, go to Create a Resource, select Virtual Machine, but this time choose Ubuntu Server or another Linux distro. Fill in the details, choose your size, and configure the admin account. Don't forget to set up SH keys for secure access. Review all settings and hit Create. You're now the proud owner of a Linux VM. Next up, VM pricing and cost management. Azure VMs come with various pricing options, including pay-as-you-go, reserved instances, and spot VM. Pay-as-you-go offers flexibility, charging you only for what you use. Reserved instances can save you up to 72% if you commit to a 1 or 3 year term. Spot VMs are great for non-critical workloads, offering significant discounts. To keep costs in check, use Azure Cost Management and Billing. Set budgets, create cost alerts, and analyze spending patterns to optimize expenses. You can even use the Azure Pricing Calculator to estimate costs before deploying your VMs. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to creating and managing Azure Virtual Machines. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy computing!